Yeah, hey everyone. So this is a bit of a smaller update this week, but yeah. Mostly we've been doing bug fixes. Some of the bugs that are reported was something like when you have this stuff collapsed and expanded here, and you start checking them off. It was collapsing everything, which is a bug that Keda reported. Another thing was Akshay was not able to actually add collections and sub collections. That is also fixed. The other thing that Kerry reported was not really a bug, but more like a UX issue, where when you click the different page here, it was reloading everything. So now clicking this should just reload the contents of this page here, which is cool. Yeah, so the other stuff here you have been working on is I started working on some improvement to the assets and like blocks basically. So the first one is the video. When you say add video here, now you have a better UI here, and when you paste in the video, I get a preview if you want to like look at, make sure it's the correct one, and you also get like a valid message here if you're uploading, you're using an invalid URL there. Yeah, so and of course when you add that, so now it's going to be, you notice now I'm in a grid mode. Let me just switch to list mode real quick here. You'll notice now the videos have this like nice little preview mode, and when you click it opens the video there and you can start playing it in line like so. So that's the video, specifically the YouTube videos, but also we worked on like improvements to the upload flow. So if I come here and say upload files, the UI is a little bit better now using the new pop-up model that we're using. And if I upload those files, you'll notice that we have previews now for MP4s, have a preview as a video, and PDFs have a preview. When you click, it opens in a new tab like so. And for the fonts, they're also more dynamic in their sizing. I'll show you in a second. But again, for the videos here, for MP4 videos, you can click that to play, to preview the video like so. And of course you can unmute it and stuff. Yeah, so if I turn on the grid mode again, you notice now the fonts, this is actually something actually reported, the fonts now fit better into the grid cards, and the grid cards are actually using like better size aware previews. Let me know how that goes once you start testing that out. But yeah, so the next thing here is private collections. If I come in here and say customize collection, you'll notice there's a new option here to make private. If I say private and then I toggle the mode to view mode, you notice I get kicked out of that collection. It was called pending reviews, so yeah, it's no longer there. And if I was on that page, I won't be able to visit that page again when I'm in view mode. So again, if this is the URL that has been shared with users, or if you are in embed mode, the hidden collections won't show up. And of course, when you come back to edit mode, you can see your collections here like that. And you'll see for the collections with like that are private, they have this lock here instead of a folder. And of course, I can come back here to customize collection and come back to pending review and then customize. If I remove that, it goes back to folder. Yeah, so that's customized location collections with the private collections. Yeah, let me know how that goes once you testing that out as well. And some other stuff here when you're sharing an embed like so. Now the embeds come with the navbar by default. So before I didn't actually have this, but then Ryan and Keda were testing and they actually realized users sometimes customize the navbar here. So yeah, if you have this, if the user has this customized, then they'll see the customized navbar. Otherwise it'll just be like the regular about and login there. So yeah, so embed URLs now come with like the navbar. Yeah, so some other bugs here was something Keda was facing, which was clicking that and toggling it was actually switching pages for some reason, so that should also be fixed. Yeah, just for the bugs in general, tag Keda and Akshay and Ryan, and they'll test how those bugs. For instance, that's something Ryan was testing and found this was not working before. So yeah, I'll tag you guys and you'll let me know if all the bugs that you reported are fixed. Cool.